We all experience stress at work from time to time. Deadlines, heavy workloads, and difficult colleagues can all contribute to feelings of overwhelm and anxiety. But did you know that unchecked stress can lead to burnout, decreased productivity, and even physical health problems? The good news is that there are strategies you can use to manage your stress levels and promote your well-being. Here are some tips to help you manage stress at work. First, practice deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises are a simple yet effective way to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Take a moment to inhale deeply through your nose, hold the breath for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this several times whenever you feel overwhelmed or stressed. Second, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves focusing your attention on the present moment, without judgment or distraction. By incorporating mindfulness techniques into your workday, you can become more aware of your stress triggers and better able to manage your response to them. Third, take regular breaks. Taking breaks throughout the day can help you clear your mind, reduce stress, and increase your productivity. Consider stepping away from your desk for a short walk outside or practicing a brief meditation to refresh your mind and body. Fourth, seek support. It's essential to reach out and talk to a trusted colleague or mentor when you're feeling stressed. Sharing your thoughts and concerns with someone who understands can help you process your feelings, gain perspective on your situation, and feel more connected and supported in your work environment. Fifth, set boundaries. It's crucial to establish clear boundaries to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Define your work hours, delegate tasks when possible, and don't be afraid to say no to additional responsibilities when necessary. Prioritizing self-care and personal time help prevent excessive stress and promotes overall well-being. Finally, prioritize self-care. Take care of your physical and mental well-being by incorporating regular exercise, healthy eating habits, and getting enough restful sleep. Nurturing yourself outside of work allows you to build resilience, recharge your energy, and better manage stress during working hours. Remember, managing stress is key to your well-being and success at work. By practicing mindfulness, taking regular breaks, seeking support, prioritizing self-care, and setting boundaries, you can effectively reduce stress, enhance your resilience, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Feel free to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice. Thank you for watching.